Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing the temperature of your battery on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select Battery and Performance. Now tap the Battery tab from the top. Here on the Battery tab, it shows the current temperature of the battery. For me, mine is 37 degrees Celsius. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.